Hey guys, welcome to MarineMax of Dallas. I'm Chris Harding, and we are on a brand new Harris 250 Sunliner. This boat is really well equipped. It's got RGB LED lighting throughout, so under the seat bases, in the cup holders. Cup holders are nice and recessed in here. You don't have to have one of those floating cup holders to use. So recessed cup holders, great cubby back here for your phone. Flip up armrests, flip down armrests. Great storage under the seats. Seat does drop down, makes it easy to get in and out of the storage. Drain trough all the way around all of our seat bases. It drains water out the back of the furniture, keeping your storage nice and dry. We are going to have a double bimini on this boat. Gas assisted ski storage locker lid. Great storage down below. There is a bilge pump in the back to keep the water out of it. Let's make our way to the helm. Harris does a great job with all their helms. All of our Harrises we equip with a Simrad unit in it. It's got GPS, chart plotter, fish finder all inside of here. Our Sunliners are going to come with a JL Audio head unit with Fusion speaker system. USB ports here, GPS speedometer, well-lit dash when it's nighttime so it's easy to see. Digital throttle and shift. This boat doesn't have a 225 Mercury on it, so you are going to have fly-by-wire here. Set it where you want, no more push-pull cable anymore. Electric over hydraulic steering, making that 225 feel like there's nothing back there that you're steering. The L Lounger, this is probably our most popular model in the industry, really. Great couch on the side, great lounger back here. You flip this seat forward, and you've got a wonderful lounger to lounge back on. Lots of room in the back. Harris does something different than everybody else does. They use a deck rail that runs around the exterior of the boat to allow you to actually ride back here while the boat is underway. Everybody else, they're going to use a fence panel that pops up right here. It doesn't allow you to sit right here. It makes it uncomfortable. So Harris uses an exterior deck rail for that. Flip up cleats for the boat. Nice 4-step stainless steel ladder. Like I said, the boat is powered by a 225. Plenty of storage in here. You can see it has the cover with it. All of our boats come with a cover. Plenty of room in there for tubes, skis, wakeboards, saddle floats, things like that. I'm Chris Harding with MarineMax of Dallas. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 972-436-9979 or visit us on the web at marinemax.com. Thanks, and we look forward to hearing from you.